Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 laptops for graphic design in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your creative journey, having the right tools can make all the difference. From jaw-dropping displays to lightning-fast performance, these laptops are built to handle everything from 3D rendering to intricate vector designs. Stick around to find out which one could be your ultimate design companion this year. Let's get started.
Product links in our description below.
Number 1. Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED. The Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED is not just another laptop, it's a game-changer for creatives and multitaskers. Imagine having a laptop that doubles your productivity with its stunning dual-screen design, paired with the rich, vibrant colors of a 14.5-inch 2.8K OLED display. Whether you're designing, editing videos, or juggling multiple tasks, this laptop is engineered to handle it all with style and precision. Powered by the latest Intel processors and NVIDIA graphics, the Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED delivers lightning-fast performance for even the most demanding software. Its innovative ScreenPad Plus, a secondary touchscreen, seamlessly integrates into your workflow, giving you more space to work, sketch, or control your creative tools with intuitive precision. But it's not just about performance. This laptop is built to inspire. The color-accurate OLED display is a dream for designers and photographers, ensuring your work looks exactly as you envision it. Plus, its lightweight, durable build makes it perfect for working on the go. If you're looking for a laptop that keeps up with your creativity and maximizes your efficiency, the Asus Zenbook Pro 14 Duo OLED might just be the ultimate investment in your craft. Take your workflow to the next level. This is the tool you've been waiting for. Number 2. MacBook Air 13-inch. The MacBook Air 13-inch is the perfect blend of power, portability, and elegance, making it an ideal choice for students, professionals, and everyday users. With Apple's advanced M2 chip, or latest available version, this ultra-thin laptop delivers lightning-fast performance while maintaining incredible battery life, perfect for those who need to work, create, or browse on the go. The stunning Retina display offers crisp details and vibrant colors, making everything from documents to movies look breathtaking. Its silent, fanless design ensures smooth operation without distractions, while the lightweight aluminum build makes it effortless to carry. Whether you're editing photos, writing reports, or simply enjoying entertainment, the MacBook Air 13-inch is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. If you're looking for a laptop that combines speed, efficiency, and style, this is the one to get. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is the ultimate two-in-one device for those who need the power of a laptop with the versatility of a tablet. Featuring a stunning 13-inch PixelSense touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers ultra-smooth visuals and precise touch response, perfect for creatives, professionals, and students alike. Powered by the latest Intel processors and Windows 11, it ensures seamless multitasking, whether you're sketching, editing, or working on the go. With the detachable signature keyboard and Surface Slim Pen 2, it transforms effortlessly into a full-fledged creative workstation. Lightweight, portable, and packed with premium features, the Surface Pro 8 is designed to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle while enhancing your productivity like never before. Number 4. Acer Swift 3. The Acer Swift 3 is the perfect balance of power, portability, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Featuring a sleek, lightweight aluminum design, this laptop is built for those who are always on the move. Equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, a vibrant full HD display, and long battery life, it ensures smooth multitasking and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're working on documents, streaming content, or handling creative tasks, the Swift 3 delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank. With its fast SSD storage, comfortable keyboard, and modern connectivity options, this laptop is designed to keep up with your daily demands while offering incredible value. Number 5. MacBook Pro Laptop M3. The MacBook Pro M3 is a powerhouse designed for professionals, creatives, and power users who demand top-tier performance. Featuring Apple's cutting-edge M3 chip, this laptop delivers blazing fast speeds, exceptional energy efficiency, and seamless multitasking for everything from 4K video editing to intensive 3D rendering. The stunning Liquid Retina XDR display offers incredible brightness, color accuracy, and deep contrast, making it a dream for designers and content creators. With an all-day battery life, an advanced cooling system, and macOS optimizations, the MacBook Pro M3 ensures you stay productive anywhere. Whether you're a developer, filmmaker, or business professional, this laptop is built to elevate your workflow and creativity to the next level.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.